Yeah.
So for sharpening the knives for turning, I've looked at a bunch of videos and I really was not very successful. So what I've been doing is taking my stone and going like this, because normally they sharpen like this, and I don't know, I'm having a better luck if I just go like this, getting that edge there, because that's how we do chainsaws, and that's how we always sharpen chainsaw blades and had best luck with them, going this way. So what I do is I just put my knife down here, and I'm not a professional lathe person, but you know, this is what's working for me. And just once in a while, and you can feel it. You get some of that metal kind of bending up and good sharp. So that's all my opinion of sharpening blades for turning.